If you want to make extra money using the Doordash app and you want to keep your mental fortitude in check, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button. We finna get right into it. We having a ride along. Because you see they say it's busy. Boy, the Dashing Trader. Today we're going to have a small discussion, guys. I want to talk about mental stability while out doing the gig apps. It can be easy to get sucked up and wrapped up in making the money and making the right decisions based on this order or that order. Look, they say it's busy right now. Check this out. I can go make some money right now. But even though they say it's busy, how is that really affecting us when we see that? Is it really busy? Is it really enough money over there to be made? Let's talk about it today. So we all have been experiencing oversaturation, and now that school is starting back up, we turning around, you know, into the busy season, and we get to a point where dashers are going to begin to make more money. I want to quickly touch on the things that we've been dealing with in the summertime that directly affect our mental health when it comes to doing DoorDash and accepting and declining orders on the DoorDash platform. You know, we've seen a lot of things over this summer, from customers complaining about a $5 tip to, you know, customers being confronted to even customers getting their food destroyed and kicked. We've seen it all with what's going on right now. Some people are actually distraught out here and delusional when it comes to the gig economy. And I wanna, you know, speak some awareness out there, because sometimes we need to just cool down, take a break from the apps, and find ourselves too washed into the day-to-day of what's going on with this app or what's going on with that app. You don't want to find yourself in a point where you just working these apps nonstop, sleeping in your car and parking lots, not really having a life. You don't want to get to that point. So what you want to do is you want to give yourself some time and some space so that you can begin to think clearly and make rational decisions. Now, we are in the busy season right now, but still, it's just the beginning of the busy season. If you need to take a little time off away from the gig apps or just away from DoorDash, get your mental health in order so that you can be of value not only to yourself, but to the people that depend on you, if you happen to have people that depend on you. You want to make sure you're in the right mental capacity and you have the right mental fortitude to handle the day-to-day, especially when it comes to the gig economy. Because look, anybody can pick up hot dogs or, you know, deliver food. Anybody can do that. But it takes skill to actually make money in the gig economy. It takes skill to be able to multi-app and make 25, 30, maybe even 40 bucks an hour. Some dashers even make higher than that. But the thing is, you have to first and foremost make sure that you don't have, you know, mental instability up here when it comes to your finances and moving forward with certain situations. I'll give you an example. I would encourage all my drivers out there and some of these content creators, I would encourage you to take a break from social media, take a break from the gig apps, take a break. Give yourself a chance to find some type of mental stability and mental fortitude, because look, mental illness is real out here. And a lot of people suffer from it and they may not even realize it. So I would urge you, get yourself together first and foremost so that not only can you take care of yourself, but you can begin to be valuable to others. Hopefully this video out there helps somebody. You know, I wanted to bring this to the forefront because first and foremost, I want everybody out there to be safe, making the most you can, but also taking care of yourself as best you can. Need nothing else from this video. Take care of yourself, then focus on what you can do for others, all right? And step one of doing that is making sure you're all right up here. First order of the day, we got $8.91 for 3.9 miles. Just picked it up from Hawaiian Bros, and now we are en route to drop it off 3.9 miles away. First order since being back on UberEats, guys. So, you know, I'm kind of excited to get out there and make some of that Uber money. It's been a little minute since I got some of that Uber money, but guess what? I'm about to also turn on Doordash too. Now, it's great right now. No schedule for me, nothing. No dash now, no nothing, but it's cool though, because I'm gonna go ahead and get this one delivered. I already turned on Walmart. And if I need to, I also can turn on Roadie or Instacart, shipped, whatever I need to, but I'm about to make this money. I already filled up my gas tank. I took the kids to the store, got them some clothes. What else I do? Got some McDonald's. Yep, took them to get some Happy Meals. You know, you gotta get them kids them Happy Meals. Then, I gotta get my registration and everything for this car and get all that taken. So yeah, it's gonna be a short shift for today, guys. Nothing real crazy, nothing major. Just get out, make a few dollars, and maximize. That's the plan. Alrighty, guys. First DoorDash order of the day, $10.25 for 5 miles at Freddy's. Probably gonna get a stack coming up out of there too, so that's perfect. Now Freddy's is actually right over that way, so let's head on over and get it. Alrighty, we made it to Freddy's. We're gonna head up in here and grab this order. It's actually supposed to be ready right now. Let's see if they got it together. That thing ready to go. Didn't even have to wait on it. Now we got a 5-mile drive down the road and it's a straight shot. Can't ask for nothing better. So we got that Freddy's dropped off, guys, and look, we made $10 on that one. We made $8 on the UberEats order, and you know what? I was finna go and try to make $50, but you know what? I decided I changed my mind. I'm about to go to the crib. I'm about to edit me a video, and I'm about to make money that way. Because look, this is what we gotta realize out here. It's more than one way to skin a cat. It's 6 p.m. right now, and I could stay out for 3 more hours, and I'm pretty sure I can make, 50 more bucks at least, if not more. But do I want to do all that? No, I really don't. I already had a full day. I done did a lot, ran lots of errands, paid lots of bills. I'm ready to go home and relax, but I still want to make that money. So we about to edit some videos. We about to get that popping, and I'm about to make sure I make that 50 in the best way that I know how. And that's by doing what works for me. And what works for me today is going to be editing some videos. Let's get it. So look, if you made it this far in the video, you the real MVP. Do me a favor. Hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll catch you.
Do it! Just